Hello everyone, I am Ronald Rodriguez, Computer Science and ICT teacher of Daffodil International School. Today I would like to show you some basic setting of Google Form for final term exam. So let's see the Google question I have prepared with all necessary settings. At first you have to log in your email. After login you can be able to open your question. I have prepared a question for grade 7. So in this question, I will show you all the important settings that is for your final term exam. So let's see. Just you have to check the setting first. In the setting, you have to give the general tag. You have to give only this option checked. All other options will be unchecked. Then from the quiz option, you have to turn on this option to make this question as a quiz. That means you can assign your marks for the particular MCQ question. And from this release grade option, you have to check this option, because if you check immediate after submission option, then student can be able to see the marks after submitting their questions. So you have to check on this, and respondent can see only point values. You have to check because these two options is not required. So checking all the settings again, and from the presentation option, no need to check anything. So now save it. So now come to the main point. Enter name. I have given enter name as required option. Enter grade also as required option, but this thing is not required, so I close it, because this validation is required for the PIN number only. So to activate this option from the particular range of numbers for the student to activate or log into the question, so you have to click on this and you have to check the response validation option. After checking this, you can be able to see this part. From this part, you have to select number, and from this box, you have to select between, and from the range of the numbers you can get for grade 7, the range is 7000 to 7050. So 7000 to 7050, and in this box you have to type manually input correct PIN number. That means if any student gives the wrong PIN number, he or she can see this message for giving the correct PIN number, and you have to turn in on. After this, you have to add a section. If this section is not added, you have to click this box, and then from this add section option you have to add another section. What is the importance of adding section is that if you add the section, the question part and the information of the student part will be separate. That means without answering the correct PIN number, student won't be able to see this question. So let's review this. Just go to the preview, then see enter number, enter your name, grade, okay, let's give the correct name, grade 7, and the PIN number I have to give 7001. because 7001 is the range between 7000 to 7050. Then it will go for the next question. Let's test again. Give the this time I am giving the wrong pin number. You see, the student won't be able to see the question until give the correct pin number. So it is mandatory for the student to give the correct pin number. Otherwise, student cannot go to the next section to see the questions. So I am giving the correct pin number now. This time, student can be able to see the question and answer. Now I want to show just a bit about the question setting, how we'll give the answer. So there is a answer key option. From this answer key, you have to select which is the correct answer. No need to give the answer feedback. And then you have to see the points, that means the points value of the particular question. You can make it 2 points, 1 points, any points you want. As it is an MCQ question, I have assigned all marks for 1 point. Done it. You see the next question, same way. I have assigned an answer key for this question. This is the correct answer, just I assign. If this is the correct answer, you just assign and uncheck this is and give done button. But this is the correct answer, so I give and done it. So this is the settings for your Google form and Google quiz question. But one thing I want to say, if you make your question without quiz type and then save, that time you will see the answer key is not available. That means after submitting the question by the student, you have to check the question answer manually. But I choose this option is better and easiest way to check the copies, because Google will check automatically as you have given all the answer of the particular questions. So everyone, this is my tutorial for you. This is very easy, I think, and you will easily understand how to prepare the question using these basic options or Google form or Google quiz question. I think it will be very helpful for you. So that's all. See you in next video tutorial. Bye bye.